This video is about using this variable speed and angle electric screwdriver to process a perfectly round stone on our lapidary machine, our Genie. First of all, we're going to start out with our rocks. Let me get them up here. This is a piece of picture jasper, and what this side's showing, so I'm going to find the middle of it right here. Now, to begin with, it had sharp corners like this, and what I did is I marked out about nickel size, and then I ground off the sharp corners and found the middle of the stone. Now what I'm going to do is get an acrylic rod. This is 1/4 inch by 3 inches long, and I'm going to super glue it to that stone. I'm going to do that now. Just put a little dab on there. And put it on there and wait for it to dry. We're going to wait for that to dry and then we'll come back. Now that we super glued our stone, we're going to put it in the drill. Tighten it up. And we're going to grind it in the shape. Just going to start off by when you get it into a round shape. Hear it vibrating. When it goes smooth, you pretty much got your shape. perfectly round yet. Now that's pretty close to perfectly round. Let's see if we can get some light over here. We just need to trim it down on the lower grip. Now you can start to shape the, perfectly round, you can start to shape the angle you want. And go up to the 80 grit. To bring it all the way over. This is on the 220. Get the shape. Around the top, just to make sure I need to make that a little bit tighter. 280. Okay, it looks good. Let's go to our polishing side. Hope you can see that or not. Let's see if I can move that test a little bit. Just going to go from our 600 to our 1200 to our 3000. Grip wheels. Starting to look pretty nice. Around. Go to a 1200 wheel. Go to our 3000 wheel. Soft. Let's take a look and see how that looks. And dry off the stone here. And so it's pretty well perfectly rounded. And got the angle you want. You can do whatever angle you would like to. And that's pretty well finished. And you can take it to a polishing wheel too, but basically that's how you do it. Now, if you want to remove the stone, it's on there. I forgot to put this in there. You just take it like that, hold it, snap it. Comes right off. And then you got a little glue on the bottom. You can always just put that in the bottom of the unit. That's the remain wet. Things out of here. Dry it. You have your finished stone. Let's get some more light on that candle. Finished stone, perfectly round. didn't get a good picture of the stone. I had it out of camera view there. This is a picture of the finished stone, and one next to it that would be the shape that we started with. So I hope this video helped you if you're going to grind a perfectly round stone. This is the way I do it. Thank you.